Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the LIGE Man Smartwatch here with phone function. And it comes with a 1.43 inches AMOLED always-on display, IP68 waterproof, voice assistant, and it's for Android and iOS. Oh yeah, this is the biggest brand on the market, which comes in iPhone and Samsung devices and so on. So it's compatible to most of it. It's a fitness tracker with heart rate monitor. It's a smartwatch for men, of course, but women or some others can wear this too. We have here the ST19 in black, metal black silicon. That means you have a black band with it, and you have a silicon band. Both is possible. It's also on the market in silver, metal orange silicon, so you can choose what you like. The 1.43 inch large display with AMOLED screen comes in this smartwatch here for man. It has a really cool AMOLED touchscreen. The screen resolution is 466 to 466 pixel. Compared to traditional TFT displays, the AMOLED screens have the advantage of fast response, self-lightening, excellent display effects, and lower power consumption. The AMOLED effect is more colorful and brighter, and the screen is clearly visible even in the daylight outdoors. And we can make Bluetooth phone call and voice control if we like. This indestructible smartwatch allows us to make and answer phone calls directly from our wrist, thanks to its built-in keyboard, voice assistant, and contact list. With a clear speaker and a microphone, this smartwatch delivers exceptional audio quality, allowing us to have clear conversations. And the smartwatch comes with a 380 mAh long battery life. The military smartwatch here for man has a around about 400 mAh battery that provides powerful performance and ensures use throughout the day. This smartwatch with a high battery capacity ensures that it can keep up with our active lifestyle. Whenever we want to monitor our fitness activities, receive important notifications, or stay connected with our loved ones. And we have the message notification. With this Robertson smartwatch, we can receive instant alerts and notifications directly in our wrist, so we stay up to date with incoming messages, emails such as SMS, WhatsApp, Gmail, and more. Whenever we are in a meeting, on the go, or simply prefer to take a look at our watch. It's compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 phones, and newer, of course. Answering messages not supported in this case, but you can make a call. And DIY and 100 plus dials. With more than 100 styles HD wallpapers to choose from. We can adjust the dial individual with this man's smartwatch and adjust it to our style and personality. It also offers the possibility to create dials ourselves, to make this out of our own photos, for example. Every time we take a look at our wrist, we will be reminded of the moments and people we care about. Of course, we will need an app for it. And this app is the Fit Cloud app. FITCLOUD This app is available for free in the App Store or the Google Play Store. And we have health and sports management. This man's smartwatch here has the function calorie tracker, pedometer, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, and comprehensive sports modes. Whenever we go to the gym or enjoy outdoor activities, the more than 100 sports modes of the smartwatch are suitable for different fitness routines, from running to cycling to golf, so we can track our progress and set new fitness goals. And this is really cool because it comes with a stainless steel band, which we can adjust by ourselves because the tool is included. Or we use the silicone strap That's awesome too because it comes in a camouflage optic. AMOLED Touchscreen offers benefits such as fast response, self-lightening, and excellent display effects. And of course, it saves energy. The AMOLED effect is richer and colorful and brighter, and the screen is clearly visible outdoor and in the sunlight. Always on means a display. There are two types of AOD modes to choose from: digital watch and analog clock. Even if we turn off the screen, we can still see the time and date. If we don't want the screen to be always on, we just turn it off. That's an easy operation. And we have anti-dust and anti-scratch. The 5 ATM, 5 atmosphere, IP68 waterproof, made it that we can use it outdoor. No prop for it. And IP, ingress protection. And 6 means dust protection of the IP68. IP, ingress protection, 6, dust protection, and 8, withstands short-term submarines in water, rain, or water jets. 380 mAh long-lasting battery. As this smartwatch here, the AMOLED screen has a low power consumption. The battery lasts longer than many other smartwatches with 360 mAh batteries out there. And for example, Apple Health. We can view the Fit Cloud Pro data in the Apple Health app to synchronize that. Cool function. We have Bluetooth, reject, answer, make calls, what we like. We can watch the dialer, we can contact list watching, call recognition, and a voice assistant. We can use it to make calls without the phone. In our hand, of course. The phone is near us, and then we can make a phone call. Thanks to the built-in speaker and the microphone, we will experience a better call experience too. It's compatible with Android and iOS. Android and iOS are the most iOSs or operation system out there. That means iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, CTE, Lenovo, Oppo, Vivo, Sony, HTC, LG, OnePlus phones, and so on. We can use this smartwatch with that. And we have push notification. We can turn on the notifications reminder function. In the app, the smartwatch can inform us for incoming calls and messages. SMS, email, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, Messages, Snapchat, Line, Kakao Talk, Viber, Skype, Telegram, etc. The MOHS scale of the mineral hardness is a qualitative ordered scale from 1 to 10 that characterizes the scratch resistance of minerals. This means that the screen of this smartwatch is well protected from scratches because it has the MOHS 7H scale. So we can have a good watch with you all day long with this LIGE Man smartwatch. And this is the ST19. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.